I'm going to be very honest, this may not cut it for you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about the VERSED DEW POINT Moisturizing Gel Cream. Like, I've nearly run out of it, so I thought it would be nice to come out here and let you guys know what this is all about and give you my honest opinion on this product. This is basically a gel moisturizer, and any moisturizer you see out there that says gel, it means it's oil free and it's very suitable for people with really oily skin. I'm not saying that if you've got dry skin or normal skin you cannot use gel based moisturizer, but it's ideal for people with oily skin. First things first, this moisturizer is cruelty free, it's vegan, and it's safe for pregnant people. So if you're pregnant out there and you're looking for that clean moisturizer to use, you can reach for this one. This is pregnancy safe. This contains sodium hyaluronate. It has a very small molecular size, so it is able to penetrate deep into the skin, and hyaluronic acid is generally, we know that it can hold up to 1,000 times of its weight in water. Then our skin in turn looks really plump and hydrated. And it also contains aloe leaf juice, which is very good for the skin. It is anti-inflammatory, it helps to calm down the skin, and it also contains antioxidants which help to fight the free radicals, and free radicals are very harmful to us. We do not want free radicals in our system, so it's good to always use or take products that have antioxidants. So this has the ability to fight free radicals, and it's also lightweight, so that's amazing, and it's not greasy. I do not like greasy products, so this is not greasy at all. I mean, when I got it, I really enjoyed using it because it wasn't as cold as this time, but now I do not really reach for it just because the weather is more drying. When I'm indoors, the heating is on, so my skin is tends to get more dehydrated, and this, in my opinion, does not hydrate me well enough. So, but during the summertime, this is amazing because it is oil free, it is non-greasy, and my skin is very normal. And when I mean normal, like my skin is not really as dehydrated as it would be. I find out that I do not really go for this, I do not really reach for this. So, but during summertime, like I said, this is amazing. So if you're in the tropics, if you are, your area is quite humid, this will be amazing for you, and you've got oily skin. And I feel that, if you've got dry skin, you can still get away with this, but maybe what you would do is to use your, add some drops of oils out there, some drops of facial oils, and it would help you, it would help your skin glow even more. But if you do not have oily skin, if you've got acne skin, if you've got skin, if you're prone to acne breakout, this will be good for you because of the soothing properties, and it's non-irritating. But if you're in the temperate region, or if you've got really dry skin, I'm going to be very honest, this may not cut it for you. So you may want to reach for really, really heavy creams so that, to help your dryness. So what else do I have to say about this? You just need about a pea size amount for the skin. And the thing is, after you use this after your serum, so the steps you want to follow is to wash your face, use your toners, use your serum, allow your serum to absorb, then you apply this. You can use this morning and night. It's just amazing. Any time of the day you want to use it, you can use it. It's not choosy, and it's just really nice. I forgot to mention, it also has green tea extract, hence the antioxidant properties, because green tea is also an amazing antioxidant. Yes, that's it. And it's just so cute. I like the this little smiley face here, so it has that little smiley face there. Of course, it is recyclable as well. So if you're considering getting it, if you've got really oily skin and you want that non-greasy moisturizer that is hydrating, I would say reach for this. You wouldn't regret it. But if you've got dry skin, or somewhat you like your skin really hydrated and plump and juicy, and your face is not oily, I would say this would not be the best option for you. There are other moisturizers out there for you to try out. So with all that being said, I've come to the end of today's video. I hope you found this video really helpful. I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.